Hello, my name is Dennis Tippmann Jr. I work for Tippmann Pneumatics Incorporated doing research and development. I'm here to show you some troubleshooting tips and maintenance on the new Tippmann Pro-AM paintball gun. First of all, I'd like to show you some of the features on our new Tippmann Pro-AM. We have the bottom line constant air, which allows you to aim with a face mask on. We have a push button trigger safety, a closed receiver to keep the dirt out. And on the other side here, you can see that we have a new cleaning port, which allows you to slide the grip forward and clean through the porthole here. Your cleaning cable is stored in the front of the grip here for easy access. Plus, our new hard coat anodized receiver, internal linkage arm. One of the nicest features of the whole gun is the hard case that comes with the gun, just to mention a few of the new features on our Tippmann Pro-AM. Now I'd like to show you how to clean the barrel and adjust your velocity. First of all, to adjust the velocity, you must find the velocity adjuster screw, which is located right down here. Then get one of the Allen wrenches included with the gun, the smaller of the two. Insert it into the hole or the set screw in the bottom of the gun. To turn the velocity up, you must turn the Allen screw counterclockwise or out. To turn it down, you must turn it clockwise or in. To clean your barrel, you must slide the front grip forward by releasing this latch on the bottom and pulling forward. Remove the cable from the front grip. Insert the small end of the cleaning cable through the rear of the barrel until it protrudes out the front of your gun. Then you just pull the cleaning cable on through, removing any bad paint. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to disassemble and reassemble the Tippmann Pro-AM. First of all, you must remove the tank. By doing this, you have to turn the tank about 3/4 of a turn and firing the gun till all the air is removed from the system. Please point it in a safe direction. Now there's no air left in the gun. You twist your tank the rest of the way off. Now, you must remove the ammo box and the sling. After that, insert the Allen wrench, which is included with the gun, into the barrel pinch bolt and turn it about 1 turn, 1.5 turns. Pop the grip off like you were cleaning it, and then your barrel will twist out counterclockwise. Once the barrel is loose, you pop the grip off the rest of the way and set it aside. Now we are going to remove the lower receiver and gas line. First, what you must do is remove the 2 push pins inserted in the gun. To do this, you can use the Allen wrench, which is included with the gun, and push them out from the opposite side. Now to remove the gas line, you must use a 1/2-inch box end or adjustable wrench. Loosen the gas line bolt right here and twist it off. Now we're going to remove the rear sight, the end cap, and the main drive spring. To remove the end cap, you can use the Allen wrench, which is included with the gun, inserted in the small hole in the end cap. Twist the end cap counterclockwise till it is loose. Then you may loosen the rest by hand. This is your drive spring and guide pin, which should pop right out. To remove the sight, you must loosen the Allen bolt in the sight and slide it off forward or backwards. To remove the linkage arm, which is located in the top of the gun, you must push your bolt handle forward until the linkage arm protrudes into the open area. Then reach into the open area with your small Allen wrench and pop your linkage arm loose. Now that the linkage arm is out, you can remove the front and rear bolts. The front bolt, which is located here, slides right out the front. And the rear bolt, which is connected to the bolt handle, slides back, pull the bolt handle out, and comes out the back. Now that your gun is disassembled, you can clean and check parts for wear. One part to check is your bolt O-ring. Make sure there's no cuts or damaged areas on it. You can also inspect your lower receiver, trigger, and sear area for worn or damaged parts. You can inspect your barrel for cleanliness and to make sure there's no obstructions in there. Once you are satisfied with the disassembly process and are satisfied with all your parts, you can begin the reassembly process. The first thing you should do in reassembly is put your rear bolt back into the receiver, making sure that the bolt hole lines up with the big area of the slot. Then insert the bolt handle and slide the bolt forward. Now we must reinstall the front bolt. Making sure the linkage arm hole is facing up, slide it back into the receiver about 1 inch. Then taking the linkage arm, dropping it down straight in from the top into the front and rear bolt. Once the linkage arm is reinstalled, the front and rear bolts should slide simultaneously. This should be a smooth, free action. Now you must install the rear sight, which slides on the same way it slid off, and tightening the Allen bolt in the sight. Now to install the drive spring and end cap. Insert the drive spring in the back of the rear bolt until it slides all the way in. Then take the cap and slide it on the back of the spring. Compress the spring until it slides together and tighten the end cap. And take your Allen wrench, insert it in the end cap hole, and snug it tight. Right. Now to assemble the upper and lower receiver. First, you must connect the gas line to the fitting. Insert the gas line nut on the fitting and hand tighten. Once that's hand tight, snug it with a 1/2 inch wrench. Then slide the upper and lower receiver together and insert the 2 push pins. Now to reconnect the forearm grip and barrel. Slide the barrel in the end of the receiver and thread it in till it stops. Once it is tight, tighten the barrel pinch bolt up snugly. Then slide your grip back. After you reconnect your sling, you can slide your ammo box back on. And if your ammo box is loose, you can tighten the ammo box pinch bolt, snugging it up. Then reinstall your tank. Now your gun is completely reassembled. The last thing you should do is re-oil your gun. This oil is included with the gun. The best place to oil is in front and behind the rear sight. This allows the oil to flow down on top of the front and rear bolts. If you have any other questions, call our service department at Tippmann Pneumatics at area code 219-749-6022. Thank you for your time. I hope this video has been a help to you, and good luck with your new Tippmann Pro-AM.